everybody, you like eating healthy? You like sugar-free foods? I'm sorry, should I say, do you like desserts? Yeah, let's do desserts. Anyway, I am on a journey. I have lost over 175 pounds, and I make sugar-free desserts. So, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen. It's small, but you know what? It makes those little bitty, nice, nichey desserts great. So what I'm going to do today is we're going to make key lime bars, sugar-free key lime bars. I don't know how to get my channel to explode, but I'm doing what I do because I like doing it. If you know of anybody who is diabetic, who likes eating healthy, tell them about my channel, because you know what? I like dessert. Dessert's the favorite part, is the best part of the meal. So anyway, but we're gonna make key lime bars. I'll just get it right in a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna flip y'all around and show you what we're gonna need to have. And I do buy my graham cracker crumbs in bulk, so just to let y'all know, that's why the big box is here. Hang on. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be needing. We're gonna be needing sweetener, flour. I buy my flour in bulk and put it in here. Graham cracker crumbs, 2 eggs, softened butter, cream cheese, brown sugar splenda, and lime juice. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna preheat our oven to 350.
What we're going to do here is we're going to do our graham cracker crust. It says 1.5 cups of finely crushed graham crackers, 10 to 12 graham crackers, but that's a little bit much. I would say probably maybe 1 cup or 3/4 of a cup. And then you're going to do 4 tablespoons of brown packed sugar. And of course, remember, I use Splenda. Then we're going to do 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Then after that, we're going to do 5 tablespoons of melted butter. I made the mistake and didn't read it correctly, so y'all enjoy.
A glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map. I'll let you know when we've arrived. Yeah, we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, but drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that. On the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all.
Okay, so what you're going to do here is we're going to mix everything together, and we're going to add our butter. This is where I'm sitting there telling you about the too much graham crackers crust or graham cracker crumbs, because it doesn't make a really good crust. It's actually kind of it makes it crumbly. It doesn't make it solid. So you kind of have to watch that. That's why I said about a cup, maybe three quarters of a cup, and you can put it in a 9 by 9 pan, a brownie pan. That's what I call them. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put 1 block of cream cheese. Okay, now what we're going to do here is we're going to put 1.5 cups of sugar. You can use regular sugar if you want, but I use sweetener just for the fact that my body doesn't process the sugar like it used to. And so I really watch my sugars. Now we're going to add our 2 eggs. It says to add them 1 at a time, but I put them both in there and just mix it up. Now it says 1/4 cup of key lime juice, but what I did was I used regular lime juice. And it also says to do 1 tablespoon of grated lime peel, but I didn't have any lime, so I did with what I had. And I didn't have quite 1/4 cup, but it still turned out pretty good. Now what we're going to do is we are going to put it in the oven and bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes.
And that, my friends, is our lemon pie. We'll let you know how it tastes when we get it dished up and it cools.